It seems like you see more and more of them every day. People waiting, and waiting for the service you provide. Actually, there's a company you already work with that understands your challenges to serve customers quicker and more efficiently and can help you even in the midst of your budget cuts and increased demands on your staff. With a new solution that can put an end to those long lines and crowded waiting rooms, employees struggling to stay on top of paperwork, slowing your service, and forcing your staff to face large numbers of frustrated, irritated visitors day in and day out, wearing on their productivity, taking your service satisfaction ratings lower and lower and lower.
Okay, time out. It's the end of the line. No, really. End of long lines like this. And the answer begins with something you already have, your on-base system. And a revolutionary self-service solution called the on-base kiosk, built by PFU, that will improve your customer service and customer satisfaction while helping you meet your ever-growing demands for added return on investment. Let's have a look.
If you work for a city, county, state, or federal government, you're probably flooded with constituents, upset because they have to repeatedly provide the same information or make multiple visits to get access to your services. To slow the process further, your constituents can't access most public documents without government staff. The on-base kiosk solution allows many constituent transactions to move from your front office window lines to convenient self-service stations. And because it's electronic, data is permanently stored, so your intake process no longer needs to be duplicated. The on-base kiosk is fitting for most any high-traffic area. Designed by PFU, the kiosk stands about 4 feet tall and weighs 130 pounds. It can be placed or easily moved to just about anywhere standard AC power is available. The head unit features a durable 15-inch color LCD touchscreen, audio speakers, magnetic card reader, signature pad, thermal printer, headphone jack, and a proximity sensor that detects card removal and automatically terminates the transaction in the event that the user steps away. From bank ATMs to airline ticketing machines, people are familiar with self-serve kiosks, and everyone knows they make things faster and easier. Right from the kiosk, constituents can update their personal information, sign and submit required documents, and retrieve or purchase public documents. The kiosk can ease access and payment for land records, planning and zoning documents, and deeds. It can automate both intake and waitlist status updates for housing and rental applicants, and your clerk of courts can fully automate access and payment for public court records. Constituents can look up court records in the public domain, pay for and print pages of documents such as certified birth and death certificates, or they can enroll for social services or review their account. The on-base kiosk solution comes complete with HIPAA-compliant privacy filters. The screen is designed so it can only be read by someone standing directly in front of it, and the kiosk is also ADA compliant. The monitor can be angled anywhere from 50 to 90 degrees. Since you already use on-base, you know the on-base kiosk solution will be compatible with your system. Scalable, secure, and backed with top-notch maintenance support. Here's how it works. The on-base kiosk connects to your existing on-base software platform, so it can be implemented quickly, affordably, and with confidence. The kiosk uses the internet to connect to a secure web application that communicates with the on-base system, so it can create documents and securely pass information in both directions. It does not provide open access to your on-base system. The kiosk runs on your organization's network inside your DMZ, and because it's built on the on-base web server, it can utilize virtually all on-base functionality. The operating software is Microsoft verified. An easily customizable platform means the kiosk can be up and running quickly, immediately reducing both your dependency on and the cost of paper materials. On-base can build specific applications based on your needs and helps you fully leverage data you already have stored in your on-base software. So consider this. An add-on to your existing on-base software, the on-base kiosk solution is a full operational benefit for an incremental expense that lets you gain added value out of the data you already possess. For minimal cost, you maximize your on-base investment and make more efficient use of your time. What's more, the kiosk can truly revolutionize the way your government agency assists constituents by eliminating the need to fully staff all transactions while improving service. Multiple kiosk locations allow you to increase your client throughput to the level you desire. And with all these added touchpoints, you've effectively expanded the touch of government. The bottom line? Cost reductions your agency has so urgently sought are now attained, helping you to reduce the tax burden on your constituents.
All right, time in. Now this is more like it. The on-base kiosk is the ultimate solution that lets you do more with less.
More client throughput with less stress on your employees. More customers satisfied with their experience as a result of less time waiting in line. More return on investment through automation that helps you do work in less time and spend a lot less on paper materials. And that results in more efficient use of your human resources, meaning less costs associated with delivering your service. Visit this website to learn more about how the on-base kiosk solution can benefit you. Now's the time to make a difference.